A U.S. military combat drone has been shot down over Yemen, marking the second time in 3 months the U.S. has lost an unmanned aerial vehicle over the war-torn country. Yemen's Houthi-insurgency claimed responsibility, announcing that it downed a US MQ-9 Reaper hunter-killer drone, a $15 million unmanned aerial combat vehicle developed by General Atomics, in Dhamar, an area to the southeast of the Houthi-controlled capital of Sanaa. We are aware of reporting that a US MQ-9 was shot down over Yemen. We do not have any further information to provide at this time, U.S. Central Command initially said in response to insiders' inquiries August 20, 2019. Two officials speaking to Reuters on the condition of anonymity confirmed that a drone was shot down. While one said it was the Houthis, another cautioned that it was too early to tell. It's the Houthis, but it's enabled by Iran, another U.S. official told Voice of America.